Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be talking about a fantastic tool that does so many things. I can't even describe it in one phrase. And in particular, I'm going to be looking at how to create your own Bitmoji classroom, which I'm completely obsessed about at the moment. So if you're interested in finding about this tool, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the tool Canva. And Canva has really evolved into this multi-purpose tool that basically does everything. So let me make myself a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to put myself here in the corner. And you can see on my screen, I'm on canva.com. Now, basically, Canva for Education is free for all educators, and you'll be able to have access to a lot of different tools and the pro version, basically. But let's have a look to see how we actually can create a design. Now, there are so many templates. I'm not a graphic designer, but there are so many templates that you can use. So you can see I have presentation, which means that there are some beautiful presentation templates that you can use either for PowerPoint or Keynote. You can create videos. You can create all the social media platform posts such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can create posters. You can create your own logo, Zoom virtual background templates as well. I mean, the list goes on and on. So you can see I've got animated social media, infographics, flyer invitation. But what I didn't realize actually was that they have Bitmoji classroom. So you sign up for a free account on Canva, as you can see here, and you're going to go to create design. And I suggest that you just go to presentation, just the first one. And then we're going to look up classroom. And here in Classroom, you can see that there are some Bitmoji classrooms. So for example, here, there's one here, and there's a lovely template, or there's one here. So there's lots of different kinds of templates here. Now, if you want to connect your Bitmoji, so if I just search Bitmoji here, I will get just Bitmoji classrooms, you can see. And I've actually connected my Bitmoji account as well. Now, how do you start a Bitmoji account? It's a Snapchat account, which is perfectly free. You sign in, log in, and then you just integrate your Bitmoji account. And you can see that you can also integrate your YouTube channel as well, which is what I've done, or Google Maps or Dropbox, Instagram, because when you actually create different designs, you can create a design to upload onto any social media platform. So if I just go into my Bitmoji now, I'm just going to click on that. And here are all of my Bitmojis here, you can see. And then if I want one, maybe just standing or walking, I'm just going to type in walking. And here's me walking. I'm going to drag this over here. And here's me walking into my classroom. I can edit any of these boxes here so that I can actually hyperlink the week's activities as well. And I can also have myself, let's say, sitting. So if I Google sitting, there's my sitting here. I'm going to just sit myself here. Oops, I put two in by accident, so let me get rid of one of them. So here's the sitting one. I'm just going to move myself over here, make it a little bit smaller. And you can see as well that you can flip it. So see the flip here. So let's say that the actual Bitmoji was the actual, so let's say the Bitmoji classroom, I had the chair on the other side, then you would just flip it. So that's the Bitmoji. But I think what's really exciting is if you go to create design, and look at all the options that you can have. You can create your own presentation with like absolutely beautifully graphically designed presentations by top designers in the world. You can create a video, Instagram post, posters, logo, even a Zoom virtual background, card, certificates, collages, animated social media for Instagram. You can see for your story. You can actually even do worksheets. I've done worksheets before and use their templates, invitations, resume menu. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. As you can see, there's the worksheet, there's the letter. And this is such a powerful tool, I think, for someone like me who I'm not a graphic designer. In fact, I don't have a great eye for design at all. And having these templates that I can just use to drag and drop really helps me to just visually make my materials for my students more appealing. So I hope that you found this useful and that you'll try Canva. It is free for educators. So sign on for a free account. Make sure you use Canva for Education so that you do have access to all the functionalities. And if you already use it for things that I haven't mentioned, then please put a comment in the section below. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.